Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. Crush It discusses Gary Vaynerchuk's life and business experiences, focusing majorly on how he established his business, learned about social media marketing, and the advice he offers readers on how to run a successful business and monetize ideas with the help of social media. Here is a summary of the different parts of the book. Chapter 1 and 2. In the starting chapters of the book, Vaynerchuk talks about the significance of being passionate in life, as that is the secret key to live a happy, successful life. He talks about the importance of being passionate about family and loving them unconditionally, working passionately in your career and finding something that you are truly ambitious about to build your business on it. He also talks about his Jewish family background, how he strived to be an entrepreneur from a young age and made money from selling lemonades, and the importance of telling your brand story through social media platforms. Chapter 3 to 5. Chapter 3 and 4 focus on the importance of building your own personal brand, because it is only when you build your brand that you can make people turn heads towards your business. Moreover, if you are branding yourself, whatever you do is likely to become successful because people will trust your name. He advises the readers to create video blogs to achieve the goal. Then he goes to Chapter 5, where he talks about why it is paramount to create great, meaningful and engaging content to draw attention of your target audience and influence them. One must choose a topic he or she is passionate about, have command over the subject, harness the power of social media to publicize the content, tell stories about the content, and be active on other blogs to increase traffic on your blog and website. Chapters 6 to 8. In Chapter 6, Vaynerchuk talks about the different platforms available to everyone to build their personal brand, including WordPress, Tumblr, Facebook, and Twitter. He also talks about how one needs to start off with one platform that suits their needs, but eventually expand on as many social media tools and platforms as possible to target their audience better. To support all this, he talks about the need to be authentic when building a brand in Chapter 7. The author insists on the fact that one should be ready to hustle, be patient to achieve success, and invest in only meaningful content. The following chapter talks about the need of building a community to make your business and personal brand grow. To create an impactful community, start conversation with other people on social media forums, tell interesting anecdotes, distribute and share your stories and talks, and incorporate call to action buttons such as subscribe or follow the page in your content. Chapter 9 and 10. The 9th chapter talks about the best marketing technique to skyrocket your success, which Vaynerchuk sums up in just one word: care. He advises his readers to care about their audience and customers to make the brand a huge success. In the 10th chapter, he talks about how one must focus on making the world listen and pay attention to their message by buying a domain for their business, creating a good website, building your presence on social media forums, creating meaningful content on all your social media handles, and then sharing it as much as possible. Chapter 11 to 13. The 11th chapter of the book talks about the different methods to monetize your ideas, such as advertising your business, writing blog posts for influential people, giving free talks, cold calling companies, putting up seminars, creating ebooks, and becoming part of affiliate programs. In the next chapter, Vaynerchuk discusses how one needs to be flexible when running a business, and roll with things as they come your way to turn even useless or threatening situations into opportunities. The last chapter of the book talks about how one can create his or her own legacy by building their brand, leveraging the power of social media, and how one must focus on creating impact on the long term to make it to the finish line. Vaynerchuk offers great advice in this book by highlighting the importance of social media in this day and age, and how all of us can monetize our ideas using its power. He also points out how valuable content can help you create impact in the world.